Hello parents, do you often face issue where your kids don't do enough practice to write the answers, forget answers in the exams, or struggle with time management to complete answer sheet in the examination hall? If you are facing these issues, then you are not alone. Almost 90% of the parents have the same issue, and we at UT have been offering solutions to that problems from last 25 years with UT Test Series program, which is focused on the board exams. The UT Test Series is an affordable but very powerful program to help students get the right practice to excel in the board exams. It works by making you write board pattern test with pen and paper, provide you with a model answer after every test, and also provide you the corrected answer sheet which are corrected by our experienced teachers. It covers chapter wise and full syllabus mock board tests. The tests are to be written physically, but the entire process is online. More than 15,000 students enroll in UT Test Series program every year to enjoy its tremendous benefits. Call us or visit our website for more details. Admissions are open for the academic year 2024-25. Thank you.